Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then select About Phone section. Finally, you can click on Device Name under Basic Info and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. As you can see, you can even use emojis. When you finished, hit OK at the bottom right corner of Device Name section, and then OK in the other pop-up, this time about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Google has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!